Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the console. Do that now in the game options, or add the debug launch flag to the shortcut so the feature is available. Once done, make sure to back up your save file and seeds to avoid corrupting progress. Copying the save folder is fast and reversible. Next, open Controls and assign a dedicated key for the console so you can toggle it instantly. These steps prevent lost runs and give you the immediate control you need to test commands safely. You now open the console using the key you bound and look for the prompt that shows the current run state. Start with basic commands, spawn, add item, or debug toggle, to confirm the console responds. This reduces risk from complex scripts. As you type, pay attention to syntax and case, because the engine is literal about names and parameters. If a command fails, read the console output carefully. Error messages point to typos, missing arguments, or disabled features, so you can iterate quickly. Finish by executing the script or chained commands you prepared. Use the console's delimiter, usually semicolons, to run multiple actions in order. After applying changes, close the console and play briefly to confirm outcomes. This prevents unnoticed persistent corruption. If something goes wrong, restore your backed up save immediately and re-enable the console with a minimal test case. The most common fix is disabling conflicting mods, ensuring the debug option is truly enabled, and correcting small syntax mistakes, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.